Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guess what I got from Amazon? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to start reorganizing my craft room. So Raleigh is helping me. Okay, so in my craft room, I have this container, but there, look at all that dead space that's at the top of it. And so I have this wood container that just has stuff stacked all over it. And I like things contained like this, like, you know, inside of something. And some of these containers just have to go. So Raleigh put together my bookcase and I'm so excited. He said it was very easy to put together. So if you're interested, let me know and I can include that link for you to follow. It comes separate with the little shelves. Those are a separate buy. A quick craft room tour. My craft room isn't that large. And then we'll go to my office. So I'll show you a few things there. So I'm feeling better about it. It took me about a day and a half, almost 2 days to do it, but it's done. And here we go. Let me show you where we are. If you've watched a previous video, you know that on the back of my craft room door, I have this pocket container hanging here and it has just, you know, all kinds of different things like my fuse tool and some straws, Scrabble tiles, some pens, project life cards, and some containers there, my embosser there, okay? So here is the closet. Let me give you kind of an overview tour. Here's the closet first, and then some shelving. I'll talk about that down there, and then that table, and then talk about this area for just a second. There's the table where I work, and then paper, and there's a shelf there, and then that container right there, okay? So let's look in this closet. And yes, I did organize this closet and I threw away a whole bunch of stuff. So basically I just have boxes because, you know, I like to recycle boxes, not only for projects, but for mailing as well. Some paper pumpkin boxes over there, which are really great for mailing. And then USPS and recycled stuff here. Okay, and in this bag, I have bags. If I need to take stuff to the post office, then that's what I put them in there. And so this is the shelf that if you follow me on Instagram, you saw Raleigh putting together, which was so wonderful. So I had that thing right there, that 3-shelf plastic little pull out thing right there, but there was wasted space because, right, it was only about this big and then all of this was wasted space. So I was watching a video of a woman that had a closet that was similar to this, and she had the link for this on Amazon along with the cube inserts, and I'm like, I ordered it right then. So in here I've organized non-paper project supplies, sequins and flowers, ribbon and trim, bags, yarn and pipe cleaners, tool and crate paper, tissue paper, and then gift bags and filler down there. And then up here I have just some of those Dollar Tree plastic containers, which I love, for scraps, embellishments, coffee sleeves, and then just a whole bunch of love in there. And so then we come over here. I didn't really do anything with this other than take a couple of things that were hanging here and I put them over there. I love this. Joanne at Happy Mail Stamper made me that last year for Valentine's in a swap. And here's all kinds of beautiful bling that I've been gifted. None of these I've made. They've all been gifted to me. And then 6x6 and 6x8 papers mostly there. Over here on the shelves, gifts that I've been given, and then this is my newest treasure right here from Judy at my scrapbook loft. And this is just here for as a little decoration. I received that in a Valentine's swap last year. And then I just have everything labeled: banner pieces, doilies, flat back bling. Both of these boxes are from my friend Terry. Cards, washi tape, paper pumpkin here. All right, going down over here to these containers. These containers were actually under this table and I organized them, cleaned them out, and moved them over here. I like them over here better. And then, like I said, that was in the closet, pulled that out, cleaned that all out. Well, actually everything that was in here is now in those containers over there. Cleaned out most of that right there, moved a few things, and basically this drawer is empty. Tags in here, birthday and more tags. These are just from friends, little bag toppers and all of those kinds of rosettes and fun things. More punches here because the other ones are behind me in a container, and then tickets and cupcake liners and a few other little things there. So any die that I own or any embossing folder that I own is in here, and then these two drawers right here are filled with potential Happy Mail gifties. And then here are some makes here. And then here are my envelopes and pockets that are ready to go out in Happy Mail. Those two there. This container has all the pocket letters, Memdex, ATCs that people have sent in there, which I need to organize that. Some more Happy Mail potential there. And then prayers and blessings there, prayer cards, crosses, that kind of thing there. And then in this container that's not labeled, it's basically just random paper that I've just either acquired lately, been given lately, and then some stickers and other things back there. This is potential Happy Mail down here, a few things that didn't fit in those containers over there. And then this is just a recent Target shop right there. And on top of the table, oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have this cleaned off, guys. I had stuff stacked everywhere. It was so ridiculous. Every time I wanted to die cut, I had to move stuff, and that wasn't working for me. Or anytime I wanted to cut something, I had to move something, and that's crazy. So now that's it. I just have this on my table, just like I wanted it. And then over here, so this brown shelf was over there behind us on that wall, and I moved it over here because I wanted it kind of be symmetrical, because I have the same shelf over there, though you can't see it because there's so much stuff on it. So I have it over here. And then this white container was actually on my desktop or tabletop, and it just took up space, right? And so now I've moved it over here, cleaned it out a little bit. Basically, these containers, they're the, you know, the Dollar Tree old school with the hump in them, and they're just all filled with different embellishments in there. And then this is like the current, what I'm working on, kind of like basket. And this container right here has my little eye hook things for the crocodile, and then just some other things in there. And then bling, fasteners, ephemera, puffy stickers, Velcro and bows. And this is empty. 2 empty drawers in my cleanup. And they're going to stay that way for a while. And this pocket has all the alpha stickers. And then here's the punches that I own, along with a few that are in that drawer behind me. Scrap paper here, the bigger pieces. Stamps here. And items that I'm recycling or getting ready to paint or we can use for a project there. Candy, sand. And then next is my table. And if you didn't already hear me say this before, I love this table. When Raleigh and I got married, this was the very first table that we ever bought, the very first piece of furniture that we ever bought. So this is a sentimental piece, so this will always be somewhere in my house, and right now it's in my craft room. So on my tabletop, I just have this organizer here. This is my address book, who I'm sending stuff out to, and then all my and then my tape and adhesives on the second drawer, and then just some random bling and things there, cut apart. And then you can see that my score, cutters, all that's right there. And then my stickles live here. And then I have this that turns around with pens, notes and all that on it, ruler. All my scissors, punches are there. Oh, Tony, Creative Chica Halls made me that. I love that. Kaylee had given me these markers, but as you can see, there's many missing because Zoe plays with them. And then stamps and ink there, and then some ephemera there. You can see scissors and some stamps and staplers, some adhesives there, and then sentiments and paper that I'm working on and notepads and stuff there. And Nicole at Sunshine Honeybees made me that, so that's really pretty. And on this shelf basically is all of the paper that I own. That's 12 by 12. And then this, you can see down here, paper clips, small bags, clothespins, twine, tags, die cuts. This has some journals and paper in there. And then embellishment boxes, the empty ones that I can use to make embellishment boxes, pouches and journals in there, and then a few more over there. And then this container, I cleaned out a little bit, not too much changed. I have diamond dust and embossing here, stamps here, glue, more stamps back there, the tape, mailing tape here, along with some Scotch tape. These are out all year because I use these hearts and Valentine-y stuff on all kinds of stuff. And then this, another one of these wood containers, memorabilia, random things, Hallmark cards, Post-it notes here, And then on this shelf, solid color papers, different kinds of papers, thicker papers, and cards and envelopes, gift bags, some journals there, stickers. This is all the stickers I own, and it's so funny that I have watched some craft room organization, and Elsa, there's some people that have lots and lots and lots of stickers. This is it. Other than the puffy stickers that I have in a drawer in a shelf behind me, this is all the stickers I own. Foam and pom-poms, wood pieces, wood blocks, tape, glue gun, and then just pipe cleaners and sewing and just some other stuff down there. So that's that. So guys, that's it. That's my craft room. Oh, this stuff down here is Christmas. I'm still working on Christmas, guys. Oh my gosh. But after I'm done, kind of done-ish with that, that's going to go over there because my goal is to work on something Christmassy every month so that I'm not so stressed out at the end of the year. My laminator lives there. It's nice just to have a blank spot there. It was great to be able to get this and organize and have everything in one go-to place. And it's great because when I need something, I can just pull this whole drawer out and bring it over to my table when I'm working and then just use whatever I need and put it back. So that's the good thing. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon. Part of the craft room organization, I put this table in my office, which I have painting and beads on when I'm ready to do that. And then I also have my Cricut and my printer in my office as well.